Hi there folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 158. So in an effort to tackle all the global climate change stuff, Solero have jumped on board, and to reduce their packaging they are now bringing out the rice lollies without being individually wrapped to cut down, in an effort to cut down on single-use plastic. So my 3-year-old Rigger baby, he now walks into the fridge and helps himself to ice lollies, and now he's not even going to unwrap them. Disaster. Anyway, the new packaging is going to have 5% plastic content and has been approved for recycling. So what is this? Is a fraction in its simplest form. So 5% means 5 out of 100, and we can simplify this fraction by dividing top and bottom by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. So the answer we were looking for here was a 20th. So on to our sports story now. So the football fixtures have been released this week, and so have the very expensive subscription charges to watch them all. So first of all, we're asked how many Premier League games are going to be televised this season. So 20 in Amazon, 52 in BT, and 128 in Sky. So that comes to 200 games in total. Now, if someone was wanting to subscribe and watch them all, well, every month they'd have to pay £7.99 to Amazon Prime, £29.99 for BT, and £67.50 for Sky. So that's a whopping £105.48 every month. And obviously for the year, we have to multiply this figure by 12 to get a figure of £1,265.76. So onto our travel story just now. So apparently, the poor people that are stuck in middle rows in an aeroplane should be entitled to use both armrests on either side of them, and it should be an official rule. Okay, so when you book a flight, some airlines allow you to pay a wee bit extra and select your seats, but assuming everyone was appointed a seat at random, what would be the odds on somebody being assigned a middle seat? So of course probability is a fraction, so it's going to be the number of middle seats out of the total number of seats on the plane. So each column has 30 seats in it. So we've got a middle column here, which would be 30 seats, and we've got a middle column here, which would be 30 seats. So altogether, that's 30 and 30. That's 60 middle seats in total, out of a total number of seats. So we've got 30 in a column, and there's 6 columns. So that's 6 times 30, which is 180. Now, of course, we can simplify this fraction by dividing top and bottom by 60. I mean, you could have divided by 10 and then divided by 6, but 60 goes into 60 one time, and 60 goes into 180 three times exactly. So you've got a 1 in 3 chance of getting a middle seat. Okay, so on to our last very heartwarming story. This gentleman who works for Shell in South Africa paid for a woman's petrol out of his own pocket just to make sure that she wouldn't be stranded in a potentially dangerous neighbourhood. She then went home, started a crowdfunder to him, and now he's got £500,000 South African rand to spend on whatever he chooses. The really nice part as well is that Shell matched that donation for him to donate the other half to charity. But anyway, how much did he receive in pounds and pence? Well, to change foreign currency back into pounds and pence, we divide by the exchange rate. So if we type that into our calculators and round to 2 decimal places, we get £26,795.28. What a lovely story to finish on there. But anyway folks, there you have it, our What Solutions for this week's Daily Rigour. Hope you got on okay with these problems, and stay tuned for next week's edition when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.